Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to the next lesson on writing an expository essay. This week we will focus on writing the specific thesis statement and the essay structure. Before we begin, here are the learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to outline the thesis statement in an essay. Second, students should be able to write the specific thesis statement. The third one is students should be able to outline an essay structure. And lastly, students should be able to write the major and minor supporting details. Alright, I will start by giving explanations of what is the thesis statement. A thesis statement should tell the readers of what your essay is all about, and then it is usually the last sentence in the first paragraph. Third, it should never be in question form, and it must be written in a complete sentence. It's supposed to include the 2 or 3 main ideas and can be written as general thesis statement or a specific thesis statement. For your information, there are 2 types of thesis statements, which are general thesis statement and specific thesis statement. Now, let's look at the general thesis statement. The first one is, there are 3 reasons why breakfast is important. Second, skipping breakfast is risky for several reasons. The third one is, eating breakfast gives many benefits. As you notice, there is no specific direction or focus on these 3 thesis statements. Now, let's move on to the specific thesis statement. Breakfast is important because it can boost brain power, reduce the risk of heart failure, and control weight gain. Second example is skipping breakfast can result in a bad mood, weight gain, and migraine. The third thesis statement is eating breakfast has been proven to increase energy, improve concentration, and decrease the likelihood of obesity. As compared to the general thesis statements for this specific thesis statement, now you can see the focus or the direction in these statements. Here are more examples of specific thesis statements, and this is how you are supposed to write your thesis statement, whereby you need to write 2 main points for the thesis statement. Okay, let us look at the first example. Students should adapt to the new learning strategies by managing time well and learning the new applications used for online learning activities. So this is the first point, and then this is the second point. The second example is cycling is an enjoyable way to stay healthy, including helping people to lose weight and straighten their legs. So this is the first point, and then this is the second point. Alright, so the third example is listening to appropriate music while studying reduces stress and helps students stay motivated. So this is the first point, and then this is the second point. So again, this is how you are supposed to write your thesis statement in your expository essay. Next phase is to introduce to you the essay structure. The essay structure consists an introduction, body of paragraphs, and a conclusion. So by following this essay structure, it will help the writer in organizing the essay. Now, let us look at this diagram. So always remember that you need to produce the 4 stages in your expository essay. So the first one, as you have learned before, in the first paragraph, you need to write an introduction. In your introduction, you need to have the hook, opening statement, and also your specific thesis statement. And second paragraph, you need to write 1 topic sentence, 1 major supporting detail, 1 minor supporting detail, and also the concluding sentence. And in the third paragraph, you will be doing the same, whereby you need to write the second topic sentence, and then followed by the first major supporting detail, followed by the minor supporting detail, and lastly, the concluding sentence. And lastly, don't forget to write your concluding paragraph, whereby you need to restate your thesis statement. Next, right after you have looked at the diagram of the 4 stages of the essay, here is a brief explanation of topic sentence. So topic sentence is a statement that tells what your paragraph will be about. A good topic sentence does 2 important things. The first one is helps you to stay focused on the main idea of the paragraph, helps readers to know what your paragraph is all about. And then topic sentence is supposed to consist of 2 things. The first one is the topic and also the main idea. And then it is supposed to be located in the first sentence of the paragraph, and it is not supposed to be written in the form of a question, and you need to write in 1 sentence only. Let's dig deeper into the differences between the topic and the main idea. Topic refers to what the paragraph is about. However, for the main idea, it refers to the focus of the paragraph. It means here what is exactly being said about the topic. For example, one of the major problems experienced by college students in this era is in terms of financial stability. So this is one example for the topic sentence. Now, given to you another example, and the topic for this essay is what are the consequences of bullying in school? And here are the 2 consequences. The first one is emotional issues, and the second one is poor academic performance. And now when you write the thesis statement, it is going to be in this form of thesis statement. Emotional issues and poor academic performance are the 2 consequences of bullying in schools. So now we try to put them into a complete essay structure. And it is still based on the same topic just now. What are the consequences of bullying in schools? Alright, so the first paragraph is, to begin with, a consequence of bullying in schools is it will affect the students emotionally. And the second paragraph, next, the students will have poor academic performance due to the act of bullying in schools. Now that you have learned how to write the specific thesis statement and the topic sentences in your essay, so first let's see what are the supporting details. So the supporting details provide additional information about the topic or the main idea in the topic sentence. And it can be anything that expands the information about the topic sentence. Other than that, there are 2 types of supporting details that you need to know. One is major supporting detail, and then another one is the minor supporting details. So let us look at first major supporting details. So under major supporting details, you can write about an argument, you can also write about a comparison, and you can also write about further elaboration of a stated main idea or topic sentence in your essay. Second is, let's look at the minor supporting details. So under minor supporting details, you can provide some examples, personal experience, statistics, and also research findings. So based on the same topic, what are the consequences of bullying in schools? Here is a complete example of supporting details for the 2 topic sentences. So topic sentence 1, to begin with, a consequence of bullying in school is it will affect the students emotionally. And then this is the major supporting detail. Students will feel afraid to come to school. And for the minor supporting detail, for example, students feel that school is not a safe place for them. So we move on to the second topic sentence. Next, the students will have poor academic performance due to the act of bullying in school. And then for the major supporting detail, students do not have the motivation to learn in school. And for the minor supporting detail, for example, this will affect their grades in the subjects. Before we end our lesson today and right after watching this video, it is time for a quick quiz to check your understanding of the lesson you have learned today. So first thing first, you need to use your phone and scan the QR code, and the code will bring you directly to the Google form. And next is you need to follow the instructions given in the Google form. And lastly, you need to answer all questions. Alright, so here is the preparation for the following weeks in class activity. First, you need to work in a group of 4 group members. Second, you need to choose one topic from the 7 topics given. And every group is not allowed to choose the same topic. And right afterward, you need to prepare a complete introductory paragraph that contains hook, background information, and the specific thesis statement. So you may use the PowerPoint or Canva for your presentation. And please don't forget to save your work and bring this task to the class. And only one group member will need to bring a laptop for his or her group. So these are the 7 topics that you need to choose, and remember that each group will have to choose a different topic. The first topic is, what are the criteria for choosing to study at a university? Second topic is benefits of online shopping. The third topic is ways to overcome procrastination among university students. Next topic is advantages of online banking. Next topic is benefits of peer pressure. Next topic is benefits of regular exercise among people. And last topic that you can choose is ways to encourage the students to be active on campus. So remember to choose only one topic. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. I will see you again in the next lesson.